Okay folks, so it's I keep here, and yesterday I released a video about how to install macOS Tahoe, but that video was from a macOS perspective. So but today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it from a Windows PC. As you can see right here, I'm on a Windows, and this is Windows 10, and you can see the balena edge is right here. So what we need to do, first of all, you need to have the requirement. First of all, you need to download the Tahoe image from Olarira. I'll leave a link in the description below. So this is the link of the Tahoe 26, and then you need to have Explorer plus plus, and like also all the video you need to have balena to create a bootable USB, and the main thing you need to have is the compatible EFI for macOS 26. So let's get started. So the macOS, as you can see from this page in apple.com, you can see this is the macOS Tahoe 26 preview, and if you go down here you can see the compatible devices, and actually this is the last macOS to support the Intel based Mac, so that means somehow this will be the last Hackintosh supported macOS, but nobody knows the future. We'll have to wait and see. So you can see here it supports the MacBook Air with Apple Silicon 2020 and later, the MacBook Pro with Apple Silicon 2020 and later, the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019. This is the Intel based MacBook. Also we have the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020, the 4 Thunderbolt port. Also we have the iMac 2020 and later, Mac Mini. Also they dropped the Mac Mini 2018, so there is no Mac Mini with Intel based, which is Intel based, that support the macOS Tahoe, but we'll wait for the guys at Open Core Legacy Patcher, see if they can just create a workaround. And we also have the Mac Studio 2022 and later, and this one is the OG, the Mac Pro 2019. So that's all the devices that are compatible with the macOS Tahoe. So with that, let me just open my balena etcher right here, and let me show you that I have downloaded the Olarira Tahoe right here. It's pretty big file, so something like 20 GB. Let me just show you so that you can see for yourself. So you need to no, let me just find the link somewhere. Where did I keep the link? So it's somewhere here. So okay, so this is the Olarira Tahoe Beta 1, and you can see it's about 19 gigs. So yeah, let me just create a bootable USB so that we can continue from. Let's select. The drill is just the same like all the others, so you don't have to. Actually I didn't want to go through this, but let's just do this. So okay guys, I think this balena edge doesn't want to create our bootable USB, so we're going to use the Win32 imager, and what's our device? We have our USB-E, So let me just select our, make sure just make it to all files. So just click on Tahoe and then let's write it. Continue. Right guys, so it is making our USB bootable, so it's gonna be a long process, but I'm just going to pause the video and come back when it is done so we can continue. Okay guys, so you can see right here from the dialog message, the write is completely successful, and you need to just exit this, and then as you can see the window say you need to format the disk, you need to cancel it. So the next thing we need to do is you need to just change the letter of this EFI right here using mini tool partition. Let's wait. Okay, this is our mini tool. So the next thing, let's extract the Explorer plus and run it as an administrator. That's something you need to keep in mind. And let's find our EFI partition. I don't see it, so let me just again come here and change the letter. Let me go to it, hem. Okay, so let's close this one, and then so this is our EFI, and we need to copy my EFI. Where is it? It's on the desktop, so let me just, here it is. Let me just copy it and then come to my EFI and then paste it there. So we need to wait for it to paste, and then after that our bootable USB will be ready for the installation of the macOS Tahoe 26. So let's wait for it. Okay, so it is done. So let me just close it and then come here and change letter to none, the new drive letter, make it none so that it doesn't complicate things. So, and let me just first delete this one and then create something. Let's go Mac Tahoe. So yeah, we install the macOS Tahoe in this partition right here. So right, so everything is done guys, so I'll just restart the machine and then we can continue with the installation and see how it goes. Okay, so we are here on our setup screen. So let me just choose my region. Let's go to Kenya, then hit on continue. Let's wait for it to load. And then the next thing you need to set up as new. Continue. Click on not now. My computer does not connect to the internet. Continue. And continue. So let's wait for it to. Now we need to set our username, so I'll just say I2. This is the second account, and I will enter my password. And then I'll click on continue. So let it create our account. Okay. Agree. And there we go. That's our welcome screen right there. So down here, just hit on continue. And if you receive a black screen, you just need to shake your mouse so that you can locate it. And there we go, guys. So that's our new macOS Tahoe. And as you can see, let me just hit on my password so that you can see from here. Right, guys, so this is our macOS 26, and we have successfully installed it on our Windows PC. And yeah, as you can see, let me show you right here about this Mac. You can see it says this is the macOS Tahoe 26 right here, beta 1. And okay, so let me go to my screen recorder and record the rest of the video so that I can show you the rest of the system.